How to log in into Dudley Council Tax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. In this tutorial video, I'll be teaching you guys how you can simply log in into your Dudley Council Tax account. So let's get right into the video. Firstly, do make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be choosing Safari. Now search for the Dudley Council Tax login on the search bar. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different website and link will be appeared on your screen. Click on the first website, that means Dudley Council website on your screen. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now once you are on this page, here on the right side you can see the two different options, register and login. Assuming you have already created an account, tap on login option. Wait for a while and you will be directed to this page. Now you can enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. In case you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgotten your password option below the sign in. Once you have filled all of your information, click on sign in button and you are good to go. In this very simple and easy process, you can simply log in into the Dudley Council Tax account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye bye.